I ended up using this piece that I bought. I think it was for like a 71 or 72. I just cut a section of it out and took the inner part here, and lined it up, and I think that's going to work for me. Instead of trying to go find the right whole giant piece, I just section out. I'm trying to see if I can make this work. Like so. Maybe like right, I don't know, it's going to be tough, but right there. I'm going to trim a little bit more where I did the Sharpie there. I'm going to grind it down a bit. Probably halfway to the mark there. It's definitely don't need to go that low. But I feel like this might work. I'm going to try it. If not, try something else. Let's see how that looks. Get it like out there. I think I'm going to do a little more off of it. I'm trying to get it below that edge there. So I'm a little more, probably from that mark over. Okay. Got it on there. I trimmed that down so I was closer to the inside of the edge there. And lines up pretty good there. And there. So I need to draw a line around it and cut it out. Scary. I don't know if my big, I need a little bit smaller grinder, but we'll see. I got my pattern cut out. I got the piece cleaned up. So I'm going to try to cut that out. See how well I do. Wish me luck. Got it cut off here. I tried to start with a little bit smaller blade, just because this was tight in there. Okay. There's a hole there. That's cool. I might have to get like a, maybe I'll stick a magnet through there, hold it up. All right, let's see how well it'll fit here. I ground off all this, made it smooth here. There is a little hole here. You guys can see inside there's a hole. So I'm gonna try to put a magnet through it. kind of hold it up, maybe. It's not super strong magnet. I tried this one, but it won't fit in there. Be nice. It's a little bigger, but just to kind of get it up here. Let's see. Maybe. Might have to get some. I have some other magnets to go on the sides. Maybe. So try that. Something like so. I'll definitely be focused on lining up the body line first thing. But I think it looks pretty good. Like that. Hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna spray some weld through primer on there, clean out some of this foam since it's open, and just squirt some more rust converter in here. Because I got a hole, I might as well. A little nervous. I think I'm gonna start, line up the bottom where I feel like it should go. The top looks pretty good there. A tiny little tack on it. Okay. See what we got here. Oh, God. So hard to tell if it's freaking straight or not. From back here, it looks pretty good. I feel like it's lined up pretty decent. Definitely from back here. Sweet. I'm gonna keep tacking around there and get it welded. Got it welded on, ground down. We put a patch here. So there's a patch here and a patch here. It's pretty low right here. So I might try to pull that a little bit. I don't know. Or I might just have to fill it, unfortunately, but the body line looks pretty good. When I put my finger down it, there's a little bump right here, and then right there where I welded. But hopefully, I might try to fill it, see if it's high or low. I don't know. But it's way better than it was. Hopefully I'll make it look perfect when I'm done. I started blocking out the quarter panel here. Okay, started blocking that. It's my second coat. I need a little more filler up here. I found a dent there. Little one there. I'm gonna do a little coat here and then fill some pinholes. Right, I'm getting close to being done with the bodywork here. I just did a little skim coat icing on here. I started the bodywork on the other side where I just welded that patch in, and I DA'd this whole thing down with 320. And I'm going to scoot the bug over maybe toward the middle of the garage because I'm going to end up priming it tomorrow, hopefully. So tonight, my goal is to finish the body filler on that side in here, and then clean up the garage a bit and get it ready for primer. I'm going to prime that fender also. That's the plan. So I need to pop the door off again too. Pop this door off here. One more. I'm going to pull this off and then take it out to the shed. I just put all those out there just to have a little less overspray on all that stuff. Gonna clear out some of this stuff over here. Got like the running boards, a bed frame I need to cut up, throw away. Let's do that another day, but let's clean out some of this stuff so I can blow it all out and then be ready for primer. Right, I'm waiting for that filler to dry there. Tried to block it, but still not quite ready. So I'm going to start in the front here, masking up the window, I think. Okay, I'm calling it a night. Got that quarter glass, the door, and the front masked. Got guide coat on there. I blocked it out. This doesn't feel quite right, so when I let the guide coat dry, I'll block it out again in the morning, and then I'll continue to mask up. I had an extra thing of plastic, so I just used it right there on that door. Most of it had tape and crap on it, so couldn't really use much of it, but yep, that's where I'm at tonight. Call it a day. Tomorrow gotta finish that and then mask it and prime it. That's my goal anyways. I took the day off.